As well as simply displaying content from my Planet eStream library via Moodle, I'm also able to use the Planet eStream Moodle assignment plugin to set video assignments and also allow video submissions from my students. To do this, I want to turn editing on and then select the relevant course that I want to create the assignment in. I can then add an activity or resource and select assignment and press add. The first thing you'll notice is that I can set the description of my assignment as an actual video. So I might want to do a short recording of myself setting the assignment. So I can upload a new one at this stage, or I can search. And here is an assignment that I've created using the web recorder. I can then simply select that and add to Moodle. If I then scroll down, I can set all of my submission dates, and I want to ensure that video audio submissions is selected. This will allow my students to upload video or audio to Planet eStream as part of their submission. I can then save and return to my course. If I then select the assignment, I'm able to add a submission. So if I was a student, I could go to Add Submission, view the assignment video, and I can then browse to local files, open one of those and upload this to eStream. This will also work on mobile devices, so I could simply record myself using a phone or an iPad or tablet and upload that as my submission for this assignment. I can then select Save Changes and my assignment has been submitted. As a tutor again then, I can go to View and Grade All Submissions, and I can see that one user has made a submission for this. I can then select Grade, view the submission and grade this. I'm also able to give feedback either by typing it, or again I can upload content or search content on my eStream library to give feedback to my students.